How to fix the ChatGPT not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the ChatGPT not working. So for that you need to follow the following steps right here. Refresh your browser. After refreshing your browser, you might be able to use your ChatGPT. So how you can refresh your browser is simply go to your Google Chrome and go on the three vertical dots right there. Scroll down and go on the clear browsing data and clear all the browsing data and clear all the cache, and again go on to Google Chrome and long tap on it, tap on the eye icon right here, and you just need to make sure everything is allowed right here, storage and everything. And after all the permissions is granted and you have refreshed your browser, now the ChatGPT might not be disabled on your device and you can use it easily. There might be other problems as well in your ChatGPT. So if the browser even after refreshing does not work, then I would refer you to choose any other browser. Like if the Google Chrome does not use, then you can use the Google, Mozilla Firefox and any other browsers that you have on your device. So that might be the good solution for you to use your ChatGPT, and just tap for ChatGPT on any Google or other browsers that you use and just log into it, and then this might solve your problem. So these are very minor problems that you can solve by using very minor solutions as well. So do try it by clearing browsing data and refreshing your browser. Otherwise, choose to use the other browser and see if it works or not. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.